Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on our beautiful channel. As you know guys, this is my first video of today on 6th December 2024, and as you know this is our just new adventure story. So let's start it without wasting our time. Okay, so just imagine this, enjoy this. If you have any questions, so must write in the comments, then I will answer you quickly. Okay, let's start. So just imagine this. Okay, so today I am taking on the wildest challenge yet, living like Tarzan for an entire day. What is mean of Tarzan? What you know, or if you don't know, then tell me. Okay, if you don't know, then must place your question mark in the comments. Then I will tell you. Tarzan for an entire day. That is exactly right. No modern comforts, just me and nature. Let's see how this goes. Okay. First off, I am ditching my phone and all technology. I am going full jungle mood. I have got my trusty rope and a few supplies, but it's all about survival. I am climbing trees, swinging from vines, and trying to channel my inner Tarzan. Spoiler alert, it's not as easy as it looks. As I attempted to forage for food, I quickly realized that finding edible fruits is not just about grabbing whatever looks good. It's a lesson in patience and knowledge. Just like in life, you cannot rush things. You have to learn what is safe and what is not. Okay, remember. And let's talk about communication. Tarzan had his animal friends, but without my phone, I feel isolated. It made me appreciate the connections we have in our lives, whether it's friends or family. Those bonds are essential for our well-being. My by midday, Chow ensues I sleep while trying to swing from a branch. Definitely not as graceful as I imagined, but here is the lesson: failure is a part of growth. Each stumble teaches us something valuable. As the sun sets, I realized that living like Tarzan is not just about surviving, it's about embracing the wild side of life and taking risks and learning from every experience. So what is the takeaway? Life is a jungle. Embrace the chaos, learn from your failures, and remember, you are never truly alone if you reach out for help. Until next time, stay wild. Okay, bye for now.